Hello students, today we have seen practice question paper of second unit test class 7th general science. Question number 1 A. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct options. First, garbage is converted into fertilizers by microorganisms. Second, eyelids have voluntary muscles. Third, scientists have discovered 118 elements. B. Match the following any two A group, B group. First, water. Answer is H2O. Second, hydrochloric acid. Answer is HCl. Third, sulfuric acid. Answer is H2SO4. Fourth, sodium chloride. Answer is NaCl. Question number 2. A. Give two examples of each. First, types of teeth. Answer is incisors, canines. Second, types of changes. Answer is natural changes, harmful changes. B. Write whether the following statements are true or false. First, the liver is the largest gland in the body. Answer is true. Second, the cell wall is the outermost covering of cell. Answer is true. Third, oxygen occurs in the nature in liquid state. Answer is false. C. Draw neat and label diagram any two. First, plant cell. In this diagram, plant cell is shown and its part: cell wall, chloroplast, cytoplasm, free ribosomes, lysosome, cell membrane, Golgi body, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, mitochondria. Second, animal cell. In this diagram, animal cell is shown and their parts, which are free ribosomes, lysosome, cell membrane, Golgi body, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, vacuoles, mitochondria. Third, teeth. In this diagram, teeth are shown in which incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Fourth, method of distillation. Here distillation method is shown: burner, stand, thermometer, round bottle flask, condenser, water, tripod stand, net. Question number 3. Answer the following questions any three. First, how many types of muscles are there? Which are those types? Answer is the muscles are of three main types, which: first, skeletal or voluntary muscles. Second, cardiac muscles. Third, smooth or involuntary muscle. Second, name the different organelles in a cell. Answer is nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, Golgi body, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, vacuoles are all different cell organelles. Third, give reason your muscles should be strong and efficient. Answer is the muscles of the body become strong and healthy due to proper proteinaceous diet and exercise. With such muscles, we can perform many activities. If the muscles are not healthy, There can be various painful problems. Therefore, the muscles should be strong and efficient. Question number 4. Write names of elements. First, Zn, zinc. Second, Xe, xenon. Third, Cu, copper. Fourth, Si, silicon. Question number 5. Explain the difference metals and non-metals. Difference between metals and non-metals. First, metals have luster and non-metals do not have luster. Second, metals are malleable, non-metals are not malleable. Third, metals are ductile, non-metals are not ductile. Examples of metals: gold, silver, mercury. And non-metals, example oxygen, hydrogen. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.